Good morning, students. Let's start with the chapter again. A long walk to freedom. Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela actually belongs to a black community, and after a long struggle, in 1994, 10th May 1994, non-racial democratic government was established in South Africa, and he became the first black president of South Africa. And at that time, during a oath-taking ceremony, actually this part was taken from his autobiography. Uski jo autobiography thi, where he wrote all these things, his experience and his struggle, whatever he gone through into the South Africa because of the apartheid policy. Apartheid means actually there is a discrimination between the black and the white people. उनके अंदर जो discrimination था, भेदभाव था, because of that they suffered a lot. उन्हें बहुत suffer किया था. And some part we are already when he was on the podium with his daughter Jenani, and he took the place. First he thanked all the leaders and the dignitaries of the world, those who have come to possess have place with the people of South Africa, because it was a common victory for justice, peace and human dignity. Human dignity means because of the color and all, we can't underestimate someone. किसी को भी अंडर एस्टिमेट नहीं कर सकते, and there should not be any sort of explanation or exploitation or discrimination on the basis of caste, color or creed. इसके ऊपर किसी भी तरह का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होना चाहिए. And that what happened in the South Africa. And when he became president, जब वो president बन गए, after that what did he do? What did he decide to do for the people of the country? उन लोगों के लिए उसने क्या करना शुरू किया? Okay, okay. Let's start with the I think up to page number 18. Third paragraph, it was over. It was a common victory for justice, for peace and for human dignity. It was over up to here. यहाँ तक हमने पढ़ लिया था. Students, let's start after that. उसके बाद का start करते हैं. Okay. We have and at last achieved our political emancipation, freedom. हमने अपने राजनीतिक freedom. Why they are telling political emancipation? Because they were not allowed to participate in the political activities, or they were not authorized to vote actually during the election, and even not allowed to contest. कोई भी contest करना या किसी भी तरह का वोट डालना उनको allowed नहीं था. And now we pledge ourselves to liberate, और हम pledge लेते हैं, we take oath, हम oath लेते हैं to pledge ourselves, अपने आप, all our people, liberate all our people from the continuing bondage. हमारे सभी लोगों को continuing bondage means limitation, restrictions, obstacle, hindrance, जो भी मतलब इनके ऊपर restriction रखे गए थे, इन सब से उनको free करते हैं. And the bondage of poverty, गरीबी से भी free करेंगे. Deprivation means without basic facility, basic freedom, जो basic freedom से नहीं है. And suffering, gender and suffering, any sort of exploitation on the basis of caste, color and any other discrimination और किसी भी तरह का discrimination, इससे हम बिल्कुल इनको liberate कर देंगे, free कर देंगे. It means there will not be any discrimination on the ground of place of birth, caste, color, religion, on any base. Totally, they are the citizen of South Africa, and they will be considered equal, irrespective of their caste, color or creed. वो सभी बराबर समझे जाएंगे जो भी साउथ अफ्रीका के लोग. And now again he take a pledge, वो अपनी शपथ मतलब he determined actually. And never again shall it be this beautiful land. ये एक सुंदर देश कभी भी दोबारा. Never means he try to stress here. Never, अभी कभी नहीं होगा. Will have experienced that oppression of one by other. एक के ऊपर दूसरे का कभी भी शोषण अब इस beautiful country में कभी नहीं होगा. The sun shall never set on the glorious or human achievement. Here this is the glorious human achievement, this word. Actually sometimes there may be a question, what does Mandela mean by a glorious human achievement? What is that glorious human achievement? Because these black people, they got freedom after a long struggle, and many black people, they made a supreme sacrifice of their life for the sake of community of these people. इन लोगों की community के लिए they made a supreme sacrifice. उन्हें सबसे बड़ी अपनी कुर्बानी दी थी. And after that they got the freedom, और उसके बाद उनको freedom मिली थी. That's why it was called a glorious human achievement. And let freedom reign, and let this reign, let the freedom rule over the country. स्वतंत्रता, everyone should get the freedom, and God bless South Africa. और उसने कहा था God bless South Africa. South Africa को मतलब blessing of God must get, उसकी आशीर्वाद मिलता रहे, आशीर्वाद मिलता रहे. Now there are some questions actually here. It is all oral comprehension and you can very well answer, I think. First question was, where did the ceremony take place? Where did the ceremony take place? It took place in the amphitheater in the Union Building in Pretoria. Pretoria में Union Building में ये, and what was the date? And can you give any public building in India? In India, actually, we can say our Jama Masjid and our Parliament House. Parliament House, जो संसद भवन है, all this that are made of sandstone. Jama Masjid and all these are made of sandstone, जो red stone के बने हुए हैं. Red Fort also you can say. Okay, can you say how 10th May as a autumn day in South Africa? How can you say 10th May is autumn day? Actually, autumn means क्या होता है? पतझड़. And you can describe in any way. दो तरीके से जा. पतझड़, what is the meaning of this one autumn? It means the new leaves will come and the old leaves will fall down. वो गिर जाएंगे ना. So you can take in that way. The new system, new government was established, and the old system, old pattern of the government, because it was dominated by the white people. केवल white people की थी, that was overturned. उसको उखाड़ दिया गया, uprooted, and the new non-racial democratic government was established in South Africa. That's why it was called 10th May as an autumn day in South Africa. Once you can describe in that way. Other way also you can, in a scientific way, you can explain, because South Africa falls in the southern hemisphere, and certainly in southern hemisphere, the autumn months are from March to May. And that's why 10th May, it was the oath taking ceremony on that day. That's why it was called a 10th May as a autumn day in South Africa. और उसमें South Africa में autumn day. You can explain in that way. इस तरीके से भी आप explain कर सकते हो. At the beginning of his Nelson Mandela, an extraordinary human disaster. What was that extraordinary human disaster and extraordinary human achievement? Extraordinary human disaster means during the last 300 years of the white rule, black people, they suffered a lot, and they were not allowed to obtain their even basic freedoms. Their people, they were not allowed to go to the common places, and all sort of torture and exploitation was done against the black people. Black people के against उन्होंने काफी यातनाएं सहन की थी. That is called the extraordinary human disaster. Disaster means destruction, विनाश. What does he mean by what is the glorious human achievement? That I already explained. Glorious, because after a long struggle, the black people, they got freedom. It means they became legally the citizen of the South Africa, and that was a glorious human achievement. He speaks at the end of his oath-taking ceremony. After this, when he addressed the nation, जब वो nation को address कर रहे थे, at that time he wrote that. Okay. Now, what does Mandela thank the international leader for? Why does he thank? Because he thanked the international leader because they consider that it was a common victory for justice and human dignity, peace and all. And the world leader, they come to South Africa to be with the people of South Africa and those who have got recently freedom. And in South Africa, the non-racial democratic government was established. उसमें नॉन रेशियल डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट वहां पर एस्टेब्लिश हुई थी, एंड दे कम टू पे देयर रेस्पेक्ट, वो अपना सम्मान व्यक्त करने के लिए आए हुए. What ideal does he set out for the future of South Africa? What ideal? What are the fundamental principle he wants that should be followed in South Africa? South Africa में किस तरह के principle थे? He told that never on this beautiful earth shall anybody exploit the other. दूसरे को कोई भी exploit नहीं करेगा. And all the people, they will be liberated. उनको freedom मिलेगी from the poverty and from the this one deprivation and suffering gender on the basis of gender, any sort of discrimination, किसी भी तरह का भेदभाव gender के हिसाब से, all these things will not be there. Everyone will be considered equally irrespective of caste, color or creed. Okay, so this was up to here. Now we'll start the second paragraph or second part of this one. Yes, how many students? Let's see. 59 minus 2, 57. Good. 59. 57. And in the spectacular area of the South Africa, expect a very impressive area of South Africa. South Africa का जो display था, impressive और very attractive display of South Africa, jets and helicopter. जो जेट्स थे, फाइटर जेट्स, एरोप्लेन एंड हेलीकॉप्टर, ट्रूप कैरियर, ट्रांसपोर्ट एरोप्लेन and rowed in a perfect formation. They were rowed, making a noise in a perfect formation. It means according to the perfect formation, उनकी एक जो बनावट, जो आकृति बना रहे थे, it was very perfect. Over the Union Building के ऊपर से वो fly कर रहे थे. It was not only a display of pinpoint precision. ये एक pinpoint means accuracy नहीं थी कि they were flying over that Union Building. यही नहीं थी. And military forces, but the demonstration of the military loyalty to the democracy, and they are showing their loyalty to the newly elected democratic government. उस गवर्नमेंट के प्रति अपनी वफादारी को वो प्रदर्शित कर रहे थे. It means they are loyal because the president of any country is the supreme commander of defense forces and democracy to the new government, and that had been freely and fairly elected. जो बिल्कुल freely और fairly mean in a justified way that has been elected, जो अभी elect हुई थी उसके प्रति उन्होंने अपनी वफादारी व्यक्त की थी. Only the moments before, और थोड़े दिन पहले ही, अगर थोड़ी देर पहले ही, the highest general of South Africa Defence Forces and Police, जो साउथ अफ्रीका का डिफेंस फोर्सेस का जो चीफ था, एंड द पुलिस, देयर चेस्ट बेड डेक विद द रिबन्स, और जिनकी जो चेस्ट थी वो दैट वाज डेकोरेटेड विद द रिबन्स, मेडल्स चमक रहे थे फ्रॉम द डेज गोन बाय, जो बीते दिनों में उन्होंने चमकाए थे. सैल्यूटेड मी, उन्होंने मुझे सैल्यूट किया, बिकॉज ही वाज द सुप्रीम कमांडर ऑफ डिफेंस फोर्सेस, दैट्स व्हाई दे सैल्यूटेड हिम एंड प्लेस्ड their loyalty, और उन्होंने शपथ ली that they will show their loyalty. They are very loyal to the newly elected, fairly and peacefully elected non-racial democratic government what is being installed in the South Africa. They are very loyal to the government. उस government के वो वफादार हैं. And I was not unmindful to the fact, means I was not unmindful, means मैं भूला नहीं था इस fact को, that not so many years before, अगर कुछ ज्यादा दिन पहले नहीं, कुछ साल पहले ही, and they would not have saluted me, उन्होंने शायद मुझे सैल्यूट नहीं करते, but arrested me, मुझे अरेस्ट कर लेते. मींस ही वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हेन द व्हाइट डोमिनेशन वाज गोइंग ऑन इन साउथ अफ्रीका. साउथ अफ्रीका में जब व्हाइट डोमिनेशन हो रहा था, एट दैट टाइम ही स्टॉप. ओके, फाइनली, और अंत में chevron of the Impala jet, that is the name of the jet, and the chevron means V-shaped formation, that is different formation of the aeroplane, sometime in the loop, sometime in the aerobatics and all, sometime in the rolling, and there are different exercises and all they are doing. That is in the chevron of Impala jet, smoke trail of the black red color. Actually they put the color in the fuel, इसके फ्यूल में कलर डाल देते हैं, एंड दैट ऑल डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कलर इट कम्स. गोल्ड ऑफ द न्यू साउथ अफ्रीकन फ्लैग, अफ्रीकन फ्लैग का जो कलर उसमें बन गया था, बिकॉज साउथ अफ्रीका का जो फ्लैग था उसके डिफरेंट कलर्स थे, दैट हैज दे वर डूइंग दिस. And the day was symbolized for me by the playing of our two national anthem. There can be a question why there are two national anthems, because after the establishment of the non-racial democratic government in South Africa, now everybody or all the people in South Africa, they are considered equal, and there were two national anthem was sung. One is for the black and another one is for the white people. Okay, the day was symbolized, और ये दिन मेरे लिए माना गया था, me by playing the two national anthems, दो national anthem, and the vision of the white singing Nkosi cycles South Africa, means a Africa, that is the name of that song. उसके जो national song है white का, and the black singing Die Stem, और जो black थे वो Die Stem, that was the national song for them. And the old anthem of the republic, जो old anthem था, जो पुराना national song था इनका. Although that day neither group knew the lyric of the anthem, उनका lyric and music and all, they were not knowing on that day. उस दिन उनको शायद ज्यादा पता नहीं था. And once this displeased, और मतलब once displeased, because they were hating this one, and they would soon know the word by heart, और जल्दी वो सभी अपने national anthem को they will learn, वो सीख जाएंगे, जान जाएंगे. On the day of the inauguration, और इस inauguration के दिन, I was overwhelmed with the sense of history, means whatever he remember about the history, what happened in the future, इसमें in the past, उसमें क्या हुआ था, he remembered that, and he was full of emotions, वो भावनाओं से भरा हुआ था. In the first decade of the 20th century की first decade, there can be a question, what was the difference between the first decade and the last decade of the 20th century in the country में 20th century के फर्स्ट डेकेड में, फर्स्ट डेकेड means दशक, first decade and the last decade. Last decade means 90 to 2000. What was the change? क्या change हुआ था? In the first decade of the 20th century, a few years after the better Anglo-Boer War के बाद, and the before my own birth, वो कह रहा था मेरे birth से पहले ही, and the white-skinned peoples of the South Africa patched up their difference. White-skinned people जो white लोग थे, उन्होंने अपने patched up their difference, they removed their difference, अपने difference को remove कर दिए थे, and erected a system of racial domination against the dark-skinned peoples of the South Africa. लेकिन उन्होंने साउथ अफ्रीका के लोगों के विरुद्ध दे फॉर्म देयर गवर्नमेंट, अपनी गवर्नमेंट बना ली थी, मीन डोमिनेशन, उनके ऊपर अपना प्रभुत्व, उनके ऊपर अपना रूल बना दिया था, एंड ऑफ देयर ओन लैंड, अपने ही देशवासियों के ब्लैक पीपल के ऊपर, अपने दिस वाइट पीपल दे डोमिनेटेड दिस ब्लैक पीपल ऑफ देयर ओन कंट्री, अपने ही देश के ब्लैक पीपल का. द स्ट्रक्चर दे क्रिएटेड फॉर्म द बेसिस ऑफ वन ऑफ द हार्शेस्ट or one of the harshest, very serious pattern. The structure they erected, जिस तरह का उन्होंने structure बनाया, government का system बनाया, that was the harshest, most inhuman, and it was not मतलब it was not good for the human. It was not as human behavior. एक मानवता के विरुद्ध में था. And the society the world has ever known. And इस तरह such type of treatment was never given in any country on this globe. इस ग्लोब पर कभी भी इस तरह का ट्रीटमेंट नहीं हुआ था. Now in the last decade of the 20th century, but now he remembers in the last decade, means why is calling last decade? Because in 1994 the non-racial democratic government was established in South Africa. South Africa में non-racial government established हुई है, and that's why he is telling it is in the last. Sometime there may be a question, what was the difference between the first decade of 20th century and the last decade of 20th century? What difference did Mandela observe? उसने क्या observe किया था? You can explain that. What was the condition when the white domination was going on, and now when the non-racial democratic government was established, what type of freedoms were given to all the citizens of South Africa? South Africa के जितने citizens थे उनको किस तरह की freedom दी गई? And now in the last decade of 20th century, my own 8th decade as a man, my own 8th decade means he was near about 80 years at that time. As a man, the system had been, और ये system overturned forever. हमेशा के लिए that system has been overturned. Overturned means removed. यहाँ से हटा दिया गया है. What system? The old pattern of the government, जो पुराना government था, white domination over the black domination. उनके ऊपर black के ऊपर white domination. Okay, overturned and replaced by one, और उसकी जगह दूसरा system that is replaced, that recognize the rights and freedom of all the peoples, जो हर लोगों के rights और freedom को recognize, उनको provide to give all the basic freedoms and the right to the citizen of the country, उन देश के नागरिकों को पूरे अधिकार देना चाहता, regardless of their color of skin, regardless of their caste, color और creed, मतलब जाति पाति के भेदभाव के बिना all the freedoms and all the rights are given equally to all the citizens. This is the difference. Okay, what is the difference in the last decade? Because everyone has got equal rights and equal freedoms. Whereas in the first decade, only the white people, they were enjoying and they were dominating over the black people. Black people, they were deprived of their even basic freedom. उनकी basic freedom भी उनको नहीं मिल पा रही थी. Okay, so once again, let's see the participants, whether it is increased 62. Very good. Good students, keep joining. In case you face any problem, you can very well talk. Okay, we will give you one day for feedback and all. Even after the end of the chapter, one day only we will be discussing all these things. Whatever problem you face during the chapter, जो भी chapter में आपको problem आती है, you can discuss openly. Okay, without any problem. Okay, let's go for only I think we will go one more paragraph. We'll take. That day had come about through, और ये दिन आ गया. How that day had come, ये कैसे आया है? That the unimaginable sacrifice of thousands of my people. Now Nelson Mandela is telling that day has not come so simply, so easily. ये इतना आसान नहीं है कि ये दिन आ गया है. It has made many people unimaginable, which cannot be imagined, जिनके बारे में सोचा नहीं जा सकता था. Sacrifices of thousands of my people, thousands of people, they made a supreme sacrifice of their life for the freedom of these black people. इन लोगों की फ्रीडम के लिए बहुत से लोगों ने अपनी जिंदगी की जो कुर्बानियां होती थी वो दे दी थी। एंड पीपल हुज सफरिंग एंड करेज कैन नेवर बी काउंटेड और रीपेड। और जिन्होंने सफर किया है बिकॉज दे हैव बीन गिवन टॉर्चर एंड ऑल, दैट कैन नॉट बी पेड। उनको कभी भी ना तो गिना जा सकता, वट एवर टॉर्चर वट एवर सेक्रीफाइस दे मेड, उनको काउंट नहीं किया जा सकता। एंड नेवर रिपेड, और उनको चुकाया भी, वट एवर जो भी उन्होंने किया है उसको हम चुका नहीं सकते। एंड आई फेल्ट दैट डे, और उस दिन आई हैव ऑन सो मेनी अदर डेज, उस दिन मैंने वो महसूस किया जो पहले कभी मैं महसूस नहीं करता था, महसूस करता था, दैट आई वाज सिंपली द सम ऑफ ऑल दोज अफ्रीकन पैट्रियट्स, कि मैं क्या हूँ एक्चुअली एज ए प्रेसिडेंट, व्हाट ही इज टेलिंग हिमसेल्फ, वो अपने आप से बता रहा है एज ए प्रेसिडेंट व्हाट इज ही, वो क्या है। ही इज द सम ऑफ ऑल दोज पैट्रियट्स दोज हु हैव मेड सुप्रीम सैक्रिफाइस ऑफ देयर लाइफ फॉर द सेक ऑफ दिस कम्युनिटी। उन लोगों का वो सम है, उन लोगों का टोटल है जिन्होंने अपनी कम्युनिटी के लिए अपनी जिंदगी की कुर्बानी दी फॉर द फ्रीडम ऑफ दैट कम्युनिटी। अफ्रीकन पैट्रियट्स हु हैड गॉन बिफोर मी, जो मेरे से पहले चले गए हैं। एंड दैट लॉन्ग एंड नोबल लाइन एंडेड, वो लॉन्ग और नोबल लाइन एंडेड, एंडेड मींस दैट इज एंडेड फॉर द सैक्रिफाइस, सैक्रिफाइस की जो थी वो खत्म हो गई। नाउ बिगिन अगेन विद मी, और एक दूसरी लाइन, बिकॉज व्हाट आई एम हियर टुडे it is because of the sacrifice of many people and I have to pay for that, और वो मुझे पे करना है, I have to do something for those, because he was also feeling that they are not survived, he could not thank them, उनको धन्यवाद भी नहीं कर पा रहा। I was pained that I was not able to thank them, उसे काफी कष्ट हो रहा था that he was not able to pay thank them, why, because they already made their supreme sacrifice of life for the sake of this community, इस कम्युनिटी के लिए उन्होंने सेक्रीफाइस कर दिया था। दे वर नॉट एबल टू सी, वो देख भी नहीं पा रहे थे, व्हाट देयर सेक्रीफाइस हैज ब्रॉट, मींस व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ देयर सेक्रीफाइस, उनके रिजल्ट क्या हुए, परिणाम क्या हुआ है, व्हाट सेक्रीफाइस दे हैव मेड, जो सेक्रीफाइस उन्होंने किया है। इट मींस द ब्लैक पीपल दे गेन द फ्रीडम, दे गेन फ्रीडम। The policy of apartheid, apartheid means creating a differentiation, political differentiation, राजनीतिक एक तरह की differentiation, अलगाववाद, something we can say, created a deep and lasting wound in my country, this policy has created a deep, बहुत ही गहरे और लंबे समय तक ना भरने वाले घाव दिए, lasting wound, घाव, and in my country and my people, मेरे लोगों को और मेरे देश को दिए हैं। all of us will spend many years if not generations, अगर जनरेशन नहीं तो इसको भरने में काफी समय लगेगा। रिकवरिंग फ्रॉम द प्रोफाउंड हर्ट, इस गहरे हर्ट, चोट से रिकवरिंग मतलब अपने आप को निकलने के लिए, ठीक होने के लिए जनरेशन नहीं तो बहुत से साल लगेंगे। But the decade of the oppression and brutality had another unintended effect. But the decades of oppression, जो दशक थे, oppression, oppression means exploitation of one over the other, एक दूसरे पर शोषण करना, and brutality, unkindness, cruelty, uh, निर्दयता की, had another unintended, they were not having any intention, unintended effect, and that was that it produced, or because of that effect, because of that exploitation, because of that tortures what was given to the black people, the Oliver Tambos और ओलिवर टेम्बो जैसे जो फ्रीडम फाइटर हैं, द वाल्टर सिसलस, द चीफ लिटलिस and the Yusuf Dadus, the Bram Fishers, Robert Sabukovs of our time, and many and men of such an extraordinary courage. वो इतने extraordinary courage के व्यक्ति थे, means they have made the supreme sacrifice. Actually, these are the pictures given here. You can see the picture in your book. These are the people there he mentioned. ये people यहाँ पर उसने mention किया. These are people made the supreme sacrifice. Supreme sacrifice किया था for the sake of this community, इस community के लिए. And wisdom and generosity that their like may ever be known again, and generosity that their like means like these people and may never be known again, शायद ये दोबारा पैदा ना, because to produce such a people again the same type of exploitation, same type of torture or same type of exploitation, tortures or deprivations has to be produced, दोबारा फिर इसी तरह की मतलब सिचुएशन क्रिएट करनी पड़ेगी। perhaps it required such depth of operation, शायद इसको इतनी गहरी operation means again exploitation that is required, वो उसकी जरूरत होगी. Okay, up to here only students, we will cover this one. Okay, let's start with the you can